Guys, and welcome to today's video. I'm going to go ahead and start off this eye look by filling in my eyebrows. I'm going to use this new NYX, it's called Fill and Fluff, and I actually really like it. It doesn't get as precise as I would like to, so I kind of have to use concealer to clean up the excess pomade, if that makes sense. But I just wanted to clean up my eyebrows underneath. And you guys can do the top too, but I really only like to do the underneath because I feel like it's just too much when you conceal the top as well. That's just my opinion. When I conceal my eyebrows, I use some type of skinny brush, whether it is like flat or square or whatever shape, as long as it is thin and skinny and can get right underneath my brow. I use it to carve, and then I slowly start to drag down the concealer and kind of blend it out with my brush. I also take my finger and kind of buff it out as well in areas that didn't get blended very well with the brush. But right away I'm going to start with this eyeshadow in my crease area, and I started to more of a patting motion and then circular or windshield wiper motions. I find that patting the color on first gives you the most color payoff, and I just really like more of a pigment for these bolder looks, so definitely a tip for you guys if you have not done that already. But I'm going to slowly start to smoke out the outer edge. I find when you slap down the darker color first and then go out and buff out the corners with different colors, it tends to blend a lot easier than working from light to dark, and I just really like how it turned out. But I started with these greenish colors on the outer edge, and then I'm taking this fluffier brush with not really anything on the brush and just blending this to my brow and just extending it all the way up, so it just gives it a nice smoked out look. After I get it to where I would like it, I am going to go ahead and carve out my crease, and then I'm using the same concealer brush I used to carve out my eyebrows. With a super small little brush, I took this black and darkened up my crease area just so it gave it a little bit more dimension. Sorry I didn't get that in camera very well. I did take some shimmers and lay that down on top of the concealer, and after I added the shimmers, I took a black gel liner and acted like I was creating a wing, but then took it towards the shimmer colors. But I left a little bit of a gap that you guys can see there, and that I just filled in with a glitter, and this one's from NYX. All the products I use will be down in the description just so you guys are aware of that. But to smoke from the wing liner to the eyeshadows, I just used the same shadows I used before up on my crease and just blend that towards the shimmers. If you guys want any detailed looks where I go more in depth on how I did things or how I blend or anything like that, I could definitely do that for you guys. Other than that, I just popped on some false lashes, added some mascara to my lower lash line, and I did go ahead and highlight my brow bone, and it just really tied everything together, and I really love how it turned out. If you guys are happy the way this turned out as well, you guys can give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!